Google says that everything we know, everything we see regarding the universe is just 5% of what there is about the universe. The remaining 95% is stuff that we can't see and we don't yet understand. The spirit is of God, is part of God. It is pure but innocent when it was differentiated in God, when it was separated in God. It has to strive to become perfect by activating and manifesting its godlike qualities, including omniscience, creativity, and power. The spirit at the beginning of differentiation, although pure, was innocent because it had not gathered any experience to be God-like. What do we mean when we mention the word God? For us to situate the presentation, it is important that we clarify what we mean by the expression God. We are referring to the great being called in English as God, but differently in other cultures and languages, who is the creator of our solar system. We are not referring to gods of other solar systems, and we are going to explain that. There is the supreme being and there is the absolute. Both, to a large extent, are different from the God of our solar system. The God of our solar system is an extension of the supreme being. What are the differences? The supreme being is the one who called forth the universe, or the one who created the universe. And the universe is bigger than our solar system. Our solar system is contained in the universe. The supreme being is an expression of the negative pole of the absolute. The absolute does not manifest because manifestation is like trying to put limitation on the absolute. He is the root of all that there is, visible and invisible. He is beyond time and he is boundless. So the supreme being, more or less, is the negative expression of the absolute. Now, when we talk about the universe, there are levels of the universe. There are 7 cosmic planes that are differentiated and contained within the supreme being. Now, the supreme being occupies the first cosmic plane and permeates the remaining 6 cosmic planes. From the second to even the 7th cosmic plane, we have beings of superpower, of indescribable power. And we can have a look into this diagram. I would like you to concentrate on the left-hand side of the diagram, looking at the first cosmic plane where the supreme being dwells, and his extension covers through the second cosmic plane, the third cosmic plane, the fourth cosmic plane, the fifth cosmic plane, the sixth cosmic plane, and then the 7th cosmic plane. The 7th cosmic plane is where the worlds are. So, from the first to the 6th cosmic planes, there is nothing like form or material. The beings over there do not even manifest themselves in form. But on the 7th cosmic plane, forms exist. More or less, that is where we find the universe. Solid, liquid, and gas manifesting as the universe is at the 7th cosmic plane. And the universe we know is vast it contains billions of solar systems and galaxies. Wikipedia.org gives us a picture of the universe, but this is just a minute aspect of it. The universe is bigger than this, contains billions upon billions of solar systems, planets, and galaxies. Google says that everything we know, everything we see regarding the universe is just 5% of what there is about the universe. The remaining 95% is stuff that we can't see and we don't yet understand. So, if we are struggling to understand the seventh cosmic plane where the universe is situated, how about the sixth, the fifth, the fourth, the third, the second, and the first cosmic planes, which increase exponentially? Let us remember that the universe, as vast as it is, containing billions of solar systems and galaxies, is the smallest among the 7 cosmic planes. So our minds cannot fathom it out. It's so huge. That is what we are talking about. The place of the God of our solar system, operating on the 7th cosmic plane, where worlds are formed.